Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then you can enter the Play Store. And another disclaimer, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device or if you're logged in. If not, you will have to do it right now. If you're not sure how to add the Google account to your device, simply check our tutorial about it. And now all we have to do is to enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And right here we've got the list of all installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available to check which one can be updated. As you can see, I've got plenty of options plenty of apps to update. Of course, if you want to, you can update all of the apps which are listed here, or you can choose them. So let me choose, for example, Google Chrome, maybe Google Messages, and maybe Phone. So simply mark those which you'd like to download and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And from now on, your device will download the updates, and after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so updates will be automatically applied. You do not have to do anything more. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.